Imagine telling an AI to turn any image and prompt into a video, picking your style, collaborating with your team, and exporting all in one tool. That's what Footage.com is aiming to be, a full video creation platform powered by generative AI. Footage.com is a free AI video generator that lets users produce high-quality studio-style videos in just a few minutes. Rather than manual editing, it gives you tools like model selection, smart media library, collaborative review, and instant publishing all in one workspace. It's designed for creators, marketers, agencies, anyone who wants to make video quickly and cleanly. Because it's a relatively new platform, widespread independent reviews are limited, but on its site, Footage markets itself with confidence, emphasizing that the videos look like they came from a studio, not your laptop. Early users and site feedback highlight how fast the generation is, how neatly video assets are organized, and how the collaborative tools simplify team workflows. So now let's dive into the core features one by one. First, let's talk about text-only video generation. With Footage, you don't need to upload an image or pre-existing footage first. You simply type a prompt describing the video you want, whether it's a serene forest at sunrise or as simple as a boy on a tree. The platform then uses its video model selector to interpret your prompt and spin out a fully generated video that looks polished and studio-grade. You can also customize settings like orientation, 16:9 vertical, etc., duration, and resolution directly from the same interface before hitting generate video. This means that from a blank canvas, just your words, Footage creates motion, visuals, transitions, and style automatically. No reference image needed, just your vision and a simple text prompt. So that was the text-only video generation. Now let's talk about the next feature, that is generating videos from reference image and prompt. So while Footage can create full videos from text alone, it also supports image-guided generation, giving you creative precision and visual consistency. You can upload a reference image, for instance, a landscape photo, a product shot, or a portrait, and pair it with a descriptive prompt like animate gentle camera movement through the forest or make the person wave and smile. The AI interprets both elements altogether. The image defines composition, tone, and color style. The prompt drives action, motion, and atmosphere. This makes Footage feel like an AI cinematographer. It understands your static reference and brings it to life dynamically with realistic motion, depth, and lighting. You can also adjust orientation, duration, and resolution before hitting generate video, giving you flexible control for different platforms. That is 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Reels, etc. It's an intuitive blend of creativity plus control, ideal for users who want to transform their existing visuals into short cinematic clips. So that was the feature of generating videos from reference image. Now let's talk about another very important feature, that is built-in chat support for instant help. So Footage includes an integrated live support chat directly inside your dashboard, so you're never stuck waiting or guessing. Whether you're unsure how to refine a prompt, upload a reference image, or tweak video duration and resolution, you can open the Footage chat anytime. A support rep is available right inside the interface to walk you through the process in real time. If you go inactive, you can quickly reconnect to resume where you left off, and the chat history stays visible so you don't lose context. This built-in support system makes Footage more than just a video generation tool. It's a guided creative workspace where you can get human help while experimenting with AI-powered filmmaking. No need to switch tabs or search FAQs. Help is literally one click away, right from the same window where you create your videos. So those were some of the core features. Now let's discuss who benefits the most out of this tool. So Footage.com is ideal for content creators who want to turn ideas into videos quickly, marketing teams needing video ads, promos, or visual content fast, agencies managing multiple video projects and clients, teams that need both creation collaboration without juggling many tools. But since no tool is perfect, a few areas Footage could improve include a manual editor or fine-tuning model, more style templates or presets to bootstrap visuals faster, better audio and voiceover controls, version history or version comparison, support for high-resolution exports and more customizable format. Footage advertisers create videos for free with AI in features like models, selector, library, collaboration, and publishing. I did not see a public affiliate program or API on their homepage in my check, so that might come later as they scale. So Footage.com blends power and simplicity, making video generation approachable, creative, and team-friendly. It's not replacing deep editors yet, but for marketers, creators, and visual teams who need speed and polish, it's a very compelling choice. So if you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.